Welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to quickly add a checkbox in Excel using a simple shortcut. This method will save you time, especially when you need to insert multiple checkboxes. First, select the cell where you want to insert the checkbox. Then, press Alt plus N plus C plus B. This shortcut will instantly insert a checkbox into the selected cell. That's it. You can now easily add checkboxes in Excel using the shortcut. This is a great way to create interactive lists, forms, and tasks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Excel tips.